For all my intermediate players out there, okay? For all my intermediate players, there is one thing that will make your playing sound better. Okay? If you are not doing this one thing, you should start. What is that one thing? That one thing is vibrato. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna play this straight first, and then I will play it with the vibrato, okay? Simple. With vibrato. But he made him a king, moving from the wilderness to the palace. And you big messes and you make it a message. And you always take trashes and turn them into treasure. Vibrato on the first notes. You big messes and you make it a message. You big messes and you make it a message. Dynamics, right? You pick messes and you make it a message. You pick my mess and you made a message. You pick my mess and you made it a message. You pick messes and you make it a message. And you always take treasures and turn them into treasures. Who on my side? Who am I? Who am I? To down who you Jesus.